1 2 4y x6 and 3 5 are the vertices of parallelogram in order. Find the value of x and y. This is point A, this is point B, this is C and this is D. In parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So, midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So, this is parallelogram. A coordinate is 1 2, B is 4y, C is x6 and D is 3 5. So, midpoint is O. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Midpoint of AC is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is also x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So, A x1 is 1, x2 is x, 1 plus x upon 2, 2 plus 6 upon 2. Here midpoint of BD, 3 plus 4 upon 2 and y plus 5 upon 2. Compare it. 1 plus x upon 2, 2 plus 6, 8, 8 upon 2 is 4. Here 7 upon 2, y plus 5 upon 2. Compare coordinate of x. 1 plus x upon 2 is equal to 7 upon 2 and coordinate of y, y plus 5 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel, x is equal to 7 minus 1, that is 6. Here cross multiply, 8 is equal to y plus 5 or y is equal to 8 minus 5, that is 3. See the question number 8. A and B are the point. A is minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 and B is 2 comma minus 4. This is the point A, B, P is this one and AP is given to you 3 upon 7 AB, this. So, BP will be AB minus AP, AB minus 3 upon 7 AB, 7 is the LCM, 7 AB minus 3 AB, that is 4 upon 7 AB. So, M1 ratio M2 is AP ratio BP, AP is 3 upon 7 AB, ratio 4 upon 7 AB, AB cancel, 7 7 cancel, 3 ratio 4. Now, coordinate of P and P is x and y. So, Pxy is M1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2, putting its value pxy m1 is, this is m1 and m2, 3 and 4. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. 3 into y2 is minus 4 plus 4 into y1 is also minus 2 upon 3 plus 4. So it is 6 minus 8 upon 7 minus 12 minus 8 upon 7, that is minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7 is the answer. See the question 9. Find the coordinate of the points which divide the lines segment joining A, B. It divided into 4 equal parts. A is given to you minus 2 and 2. B is given to you 2 and 8. Find the coordinate of the point. C is midpoint of AB. So Cxy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Apply the midpoint formula. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Minus 2 plus 2 upon 2, 2 plus 8 upon 2. So that is 0, 2 plus 8, 10, that is 5. First answer is this one. D is midpoint of AC. So D coordinate xy. So D is A is minus 2 and 2, C is 0 and 5. So D coordinate minus 2 plus 0 upon 2, 2 plus 5 upon 2. So minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 and it is 7 upon 2. Second answer, E is the midpoint of CB. C is 0, 5, B is 2, 8. So E is 0 plus 2 upon 2, 5 plus 8 upon 2. So it will be 1 and 13 upon 2. Question number 10. Question number 10. This is a rhombus ABCD. A is 3, 0, B is 4, 5, C is minus 1 comma 4 and D is minus 2 comma minus 1. Find out the AC and BD. AC, A is 3 comma 0, C is minus 1 comma 4, this is x1 y1 x2 y2, and AC is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Apply the distance formula. x2 is minus 1, x1 is minus 3, x1 is 3, y2 is 4 minus 0. So it is minus 4 square plus 4 square. It is equal to 16 plus 16, that is equal to root 32. It can factorize 4 into 4 into 2, make it pair 4 root 2. Now find out BD. B is 4 comma 5 and D is minus 2 comma minus 1. BD is same formula, x1 y1 x2 y2. Same apply this formula, minus 2 minus 4 whole square minus 1 minus 5 whole square. It is minus 6 square. It is also minus 6 square. It become 36 plus 36. So it is 72. So it is equal to 6 into 6 into 2. 6 take common, 6 root 2. Area of rhombus is equal to half into diagonal AC into diagonal BD. Half AC is 4 root 2 and BD is 6 root 2. So half into 6 4 are 24, root 2 into root 2 2, 2 and 2 cancel, 24 centimeter unit square, because here we will use unit word, so it is unit square. So this exercise is completed. Exercise 7.3 is deleted by CBSE, that is area of triangle is deleted by CBSE. So homework for you, you do it. Question number 5, question number 7. Question 5 and 7 of exercise 7.2 and example 9 and 10.